Hey, this is Chef Heather here. I want to show you how to make a parchment bag today. So I have my piece of parchment, and if you're buying parchment that's already pre-cut like my piece, this is half sheet parchment. You definitely won't want to buy the full sheet. That won't even fit in your oven at home. So this is the half sheet parchment, and what I do is I fold it corner to corner, leaving some space, and the corners aren't exactly lined up. And I don't like to do a fold because we need it to be cut clean. And even if it's cut a little bit crooked, we don't want there to be a fold there. So I take a chef knife, insert it where my fold is, and just slowly start to cut across. And it'll make 2 triangles for you. And those triangles have one little spot that has a kind of a small cut on the corner. And that cut corner is gonna go to your right side. And I always joke with everyone in class that this is kind of like origami, so I typically don't show in the middle of one of my classes because it is something more detailed to learn how to do. So what you do is you take that cut corner and you put the 90-degree triangle or angle towards your stomach, and you roll that corner over so that you're able to make a point. Okay, and I try to make it tight so there's no hole in the end here. So it's like a cone, like an ice cream cone right now. And then I take the other piece and fold it around to close the cone. And then what you can do is you can slide your fingers just back and forth to open or close. And I like to close the tip completely because then when you're filling the bag, your chocolate or batter is not gonna drip out as you're putting it inside, and then you fold it down and it'll actually hold the cone. So all those scrap corners at the end just go folded in and you're kind of ready to go. Now this is a little different than doing a plastic piping bag. What you'd want to do is fill it only halfway, and then to close it up you would fold it down, flatten it on either side, pull the corner in on either side, and then start to roll it down, kind of like a tube of toothpaste. And then to apply pressure, you'd put your thumb here and cut a little hole on the end, and you have a little parchment bag to use. And then when you're done, it's disposable, okay?